Hello, gandang umaga guys. Nandito ang inyong lola. May gagawin po tayo. May gagawin tayong project. Ayan. Would never ask me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live alive anymore. Mahirap din pala guys maggupit nito. Yan. Tuloy-tuloy. Gugupitin po natin itong lahat guys.